I'm Kelly McCutcheon, and I'm here at the Georgia State Capitol where we've just had a press conference on asset forfeiture. This is a critical issue and probably the greatest threat to property rights in Georgia. We have heard many stories where innocent victims in Georgia have had their property taken by their government. Even though they've not been convicted of a crime, they've not even been accused of a crime. We believe that shouldn't happen in the United States of America, shouldn't happen in Georgia. We're leading the efforts to bring this to the attention of our legislators and hope they can create an answer that will end this process.
Georgia has some of the worst forfeiture laws in the country, and the very worst in the state. You can lose your property without ever being accused of a crime, never mind being convicted. Worse, Georgia law enforcement gets to keep up to 100% of the proceeds of the property they seize. We're here today to call on the Georgia State Legislature to reform these laws, to respect property rights, and to put into place restrictions on the power of law enforcement to seize property and to profit from policing forfeiture laws. We would like the law to eliminate civil asset forfeiture and replace it with criminal forfeiture. No one convicted of a crime should keep the ill-gotten gains from that activity. But the government should have the burden of convicting you first before you lose final title to your property.
How does Georgia's law compare to other states? You said it's one of the worst.
Georgia's law is one of the worst in the country and the worst in the South.
My name is Sarah Tatanchi, and I'm the Executive Director of the Southern Center for Human Rights. We are here today to join in the call to reform Georgia's civil forfeiture laws. In 2012, Governor Deal, Speaker Ralston, and others have prioritized the reform of our criminal justice system in order to make it more fair and more effective. Georgia's civil forfeiture laws are in dire need of reform as well. The overreach of our laws invades the lives of citizens who might simply be in the wrong place at the wrong time, and who otherwise wouldn't have the resources to wage the sort of defense against the state to regain the property that is rightfully theirs. This is unfair, and it is in badly need of reform. We are proud to join the coalition in calling on our legislators to reform Georgia's civil forfeiture laws in the 2012 General Assembly.